Hey guys, I'm Anotherr DOOD and today I want to show you how you can mix wide hooks, and you'll be surprised that the secret to wide hooks is not mixing. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe and hit the like button. Let's get right into it. The track I'm gonna use for today is called Anotherr DOOD. The artist is D.Cure. You can find the final mastered song on Spotify. I have a mix breakdown on the verse 2. This is how the hook sounds.
I don't wanna just be another dude, yeah. People say I can't, ain't no one of you. It's about time I confronted you, because when I get pushed away, kinda hard to explain it, but at least I'll give it a try. They put me in an image they've painted, they want me to be that guy.
This is with processing. Now let me bypass all the processing. This is what I have received from D.Cure.
I don't wanna just be another dude, yeah. People say I can't, ain't no one of you. It's about time I confronted you, because when I get pushed away.
That's what I got before starting mixing. Long story short, the secret of having wide hooks is not with mixing. Mixing helps, but I think the secret is the arrangement. As you can see in the session, the hook consists of 2 doubles and the harmony. It has 2 parts. If we take a look in the console, you can see that I've panned those left and right.
I don't wanna just be another dude, yeah. People say I can't, ain't no one of you.
They are not hard panned. I just don't like using hard pan when it comes to hooks. I just like to keep it in between, I don't know, 10% left, 10% right, and 45%. I think that gives the hook a really nice spread. And in the second section of the first part of the hook, we have this harmony.
It's about time I confronted you, because when I get pushed away.
That harmony is dead in the center. It's intentional. I wanted the hook to start wide, and then I wanted to have impact when that harmony kicked in. Same goes for the second part. We have 2 takes.
Kinda hard to explain it.
And a harmony that's dead in the center.
Kinda hard to explain it, but at least I'll give it a try. They put me in an image they've painted, they want me to be that guy.
And that's the power of the arrangement. Let's make everything dead in the center and have a listen how it sounds.
I don't wanna just be another dude, yeah. People say I can't, ain't no one of you. It's about time I confronted you, because when I get pushed away. Kinda hard to explain it.
It's not bad, but it's not that wide. Now let's break down the actual processing that I had on the hook. I have Auto-Tune Pro on all of the tracks. I'm not using a fast retune speed. I'm not looking for that auto-tune effect. I'm just looking to keep the tuning of the vocals in check. When it comes to routing, all the hook vocals are going to this hook bus. As far as sends go, I have 7 Heaven Professional with a strange reverb on.
I don't wanna just be another dude, yeah. People say I can't, ain't no one of you.
A ping pong delay.
It's about time I could.
With the ambient style, you can have close to no transients. Last send for the hook bus is this Echo Boy.
I don't wanna just be another dude, yeah. People say I can't, ain't no one of you. It's about time I confronted.
I just like using this Echo Boy with distorted style. I like its character. I like things a bit more dirty. I don't like keeping my sends that clean. As you can see, I don't have any sends on the actual tracks. And as a tip, you can see that in Studio One by looking at these 3 lines. The first one is for inserts. If we add a send, you can see the second one lighting blue. First in the chain is Pro Q3, doing some corrective cut, and all the processing was done on the bus. I didn't do any processing on the actual tracks.
I don't wanna just be another dude. People say I can't, ain't no one of you. It's about time I confronted.
Removing everything below 100 and having a shelf starting from 500. Removing some of that muddiness on his vocals. RVox to bring the vocals more up front and to compress them a bit.
I don't wanna just be another dude, yeah. People say I can't, ain't no one of you. It's about time I confronted you because
C4, compressing the vocals even more, but this time targeted compression. The vocals are pretty boomy. I'm controlling that with this middle band.
I don't wanna just be another dude, yeah. People say I can't handle one of you.
I also wanted to add a bit of shine, a bit of top end, so I did that with this high band right here, boosting 3 dB, but also compressing in the same time, so the top end is a bit more controlled.
I don't wanna just be another dude, yeah. People say I can't handle one of you. It's about time I confronted you because when I get pushed away, kinda hard to explain it, but at least I'll give it a try. They put me in an image they...
Next up, the sauce. I like using this on vocal bosses because it has some nice saturation. I can just spread it even more with the sugar section, which is a chorus and a flanger. I have the high pass enabled, low pass is disabled, adding a bit of pitch shifting.
I don't wanna just be another dude, yeah.
High harmonies, but really low in the mix.
I don't wanna just be another dude, yeah. People say I can't handle one of...
It's more of a texture thing rather than something that you can hear, helping with achieving a wider sound, adding some mild saturation, some chorus. This helps too with the wideness of the hook.
It's about time I confronted you because when I get pushed away, kinda hard to explain.
And the last thing that I did with the sauce, touching the vocals with a bit of compression, dab settings, and that's it. Last in the chain, CLA 2A.
I don't wanna just be another dude, yeah. People say I can't handle one of you. It's about time I confronted you.
I really like using this on vocal bosses because it has a really natural sounding release time. It's not too pumpy, it's not that aggressive, it makes the vocals a bit more consistent. This is everything on the hook boss. The hook boss goes to the vocal boss, where I have some additional processing. I have a corrective EQ again.
I don't wanna just be another dude, yeah. People say I can't handle you. It's about time I confronted you because when I get pushed away.
Sutu, the magic plugin used to control the digital harshness. Let's see what I'm doing with it.
Hard to explain it, but
let's bypass the sends because I want to use the delta function to hear exactly the specific frequencies.
But at least I'll give it a try. They put me in an image.
So that's what I'm removing. You can hear a bit of that nasal tone that D.Cure has with his recordings. The mix is at 50%. The reduction done with the suit is not that obvious.
I don't wanna just be another dude, yeah. People say I can't handle one of you. It's about time I confronted you because when I get pushed away, kinda hard to explain it.
Smart comp, as you've noticed, I'm doing the compression in layers. I'm not pushing any of the compressors really hard. RVox, probably doing around 4 or 5 dB of gain reduction.
I don't wanna just be another.
Even 6 on the high peaks. Then I have C4 doing some multiband compression with a range of maximum 5 dB of gain reduction. The sauce with the dab, I think this is in parallel. Then the CLA 2A with 5 dB of gain reduction.
I don't wanna just be another dude.
And last compressor in the chain is the smart comp.
I don't wanna just be another dude, yeah. People say I can't handle one of you. It's about time I confronted you because
using spectral compression, similar to Suit, it's targeting the frequencies that are poking out. Last in the chain, a de-esser. This is the frequency that I'm targeting with the de-esser. But I'm using it in a wide band, so I'm targeting everything above that.
Oh yeah, people say I can't handle one of you. It's about time I confronted you because when I get pushed away.
I also have Suit on the beat, making room for the vocals, but you can see that technique in the previous mix breakdown video where I broke down the verse for this exact track. I explained there the processing that I've done on the beat. Now let me play you the last time a before and after. This is with the processing.
I don't wanna just be another dude, yeah. put me in an image they've painted, and want me to be that guy.
So as you can see, the technique of mixing wide hooks is pretty much the same as in mixing all other vocals, but to achieve that really nice wide sound, you need to think about the arrangement. You need to think about how many takes you are recording, harmonies. You need to think about doubles, and it really helps when mixing to have really good recordings, really good material that you can work with. The secret is not mixing, the secret is good recordings and nice arrangements. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please subscribe, hit the like button, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, and see you guys really soon.